Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. NYMEX crude oil price rebound downward strongly from its key resistance of $80.65 level, heading towards its key important support at $77.64 level, which indicates short-term trend is bearish. However, any break below $77.64 level will continue the decline, and breaking this level will stop the positive scenario and put the price under additional negative pressure towards its next target at $76.80 and $75.25 level in near term. MCX crude oil price failed to breach its upper key resistance of 6,750 level and formed doji candlestick pattern, indicates short-term trend is bearish. However, any break below 6,500 level, which act as a key support, will drag the price further down till 6275 and 6125 level in near term. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.